We purchased a 10-year-old house, and after moving in we discovered that the water faucet for watering the lawn was attached to the house inside the garage. This was very inconvenient, so we decided to move it to the outside wall of the garage. This video will show you just how we did it, and how easy it is. To help us make more videos like this, please don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. I want to redirect the water from here along the back wall and out the side wall of the garage. Then I can mount the faucet on the outside for easy access. First, drill a hole in the wall where you want the new water faucet. Attach a short piece of 1/2 inch PVC hose to the water faucet and slide it into the hole. I used shark bite connections, which allows me to simply push the pipe in without the need for additional clamps. Now, mark the length you need to get the pipe flush with the inside wall, cut it to length, and screw the faucet to the wall. Now you can push a shark bite elbow onto the pipe to direct the water to the faucet. Next, remove the existing faucet from the house, cut the PVC pipe, and connect a shark bite elbow to it. Don't forget to shut off the water before this step. I'm using a T connection instead of an elbow because I will also be using this water source for a pot filler in the future. Push a short piece of PVC pipe into the end of the elbow, or into both ends if you're using a T connection. Leave the pipe just long enough to accommodate the connection for the shutoff valve, and cut it off. Slide the shutoff valve onto the PVC pipe, or in my case, on both sides of the T connection.
There we go.
Now you can connect it to the existing water source. Make sure you close the shutoff valve. Now, direct the water from the shutoff valve along the wall to the elbow for the exterior faucet with 1/2 inch PVC pipe, using elbows as needed. Use pipe clamps to fasten the pipe to the wall. We now have the water directed to the new water faucet on the outside of the garage. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest videos. Thank you.